Soak a cotton pad and wipe down your window frames to get rid of a nasty problem. Wipe even the windowsill. There are several reasons why. Not only do your windowsills and frames become cleaner and regain their bright white color, but the main reason is different. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution has antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, safe for kids and pets. Spray it on your window frames and sills without worry. You can also soak cotton pads and wipe the frames thoroughly. Insects hate the smell of vinegar, and its repellent effect lasts a long time. In the fall, when insects seek shelter, this trick will be your best ally. Just wipe the windows regularly, and insects will stay away. All flying pests will disappear. Plus, your windows will be shiny and streak-free.